strategist, and I am here to help you make money and become the person that you need to be to stop sabotaging your life and money so that you can make the money and keep it. In this video, we're going to talk about insurance products, and I want to go over the 5 insurance products that you need not waste your money on. All right, but before we do, make sure that you hit that like button because I know you're going to like this video, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, all right, and help me get my algorithm up on YouTube. Now, to get right into the subject matter, let's talk insurance. Insurance is something that's very, very important. Insurance is used to build wealth. Insurance is used to protect your family. Insurance is used to cover expenses in the event that the breadwinner passes away or someone passes away, and you can be able to bury your family and maybe even leave them a financial legacy. But there's a lot of insurance products out there for a lot of things, okay? And we do not need them. They're just money makers for the insurance company, and I need you to beware, be a good consumer, and don't waste your money. So I'm going to go over 5. Now there are more than just the 5 I'm going to go over, but I'm going to go over 5 of them today that you should not waste your money on. The first is credit cards. Identity theft for credit cards. Most credit card companies already have that built in, and they will already cover you if your card is lost, stolen, and used, where you would be able to call them up and dispute the charge that it's not you. They will do all of the investigation, okay, to make sure that it's not you and take care of that for you. So it's not really a need for you to pay identity theft for your actual credit cards. Another one is rental car insurance. Okay, so you need to rent a car because you're going out of town or whatever. And they're always going to ask you, do you want insurance in case of accident or dent or whatever might happen to the car? But if you already have a car, and because we don't always want to drive our car out of town, so we rent a car. So if you already have a car and you're already paying for an insurance, a lot of insurance policies will cover you for the rental. What you need to do is call your insurance company and make sure that they're covering you for the rental so that you can just save your money and not waste your money on paying for rental car insurance. Another one is having collision insurance. There's no need to have the comprehensive and collision insurance on a car that is paid off and not worth very much money. If something happens, it will end up getting totaled anyway. You don't really need to have collision insurance for a car that's not worth very much. The fourth one is travel insurance. Now, I don't know who pays for travel insurance, but you'll have it where they offer you travel insurance when you're buying your airline ticket to maybe protect your ticket. No, I bought my ticket and you're going to let me on this airplane. Or in case something happens to you while you're traveling, you might get sick or hurt or something, but that's what you have health insurance for. And guess what? If you don't have health insurance, you should have health insurance because it is a requirement. If you're working and they offer you health insurance, then you should have that and you wouldn't need to buy travel insurance. Last but not least, the most wasteful that I know a lot of people get is cell phone insurance. Again, it's a money maker. You get in your new phone, they say, do you want insured in case it gets lost, stolen, or damaged? And you've got to ask yourself, realistically, in the whole time that you've had cell phones, in the 10, 20, 30 years that cell phones have been out, when have you ever lost your cell phone? When have you ever had it stolen? When have you broke it? Maybe back when the cell phones were really cheap, maybe back when you were young and irresponsible. But as old as we are these days, most people are not losing their phones. They're not putting it in places for it to get stolen, nor are they breaking it because we have too many cell phone protectors to keep our cell phones from breaking. So it's not necessarily worth you to get cell phone insurance. Now, you might have it for maybe your children because they are likely to get it stolen. They're likely to lose it. They're likely to leave it somewhere. So I can understand if you might want to have it for your child, but it's a waste of money to have it for yourself. That's money that you could be saving. A lot of insurance costs like $15 a month. And over a year's time, how much is that? Let me see. $180 that you could be saving by not having cell phone insurance, okay? Now, those are the 5 products or insurance products that I think you should not waste your money on, but there are other products that you should not waste your money on, but we'll get into that another day. Okay. Now make sure that you pick up the book, Path to Prosperity, 17 Secrets to Building Wealth Today, where I teach you step by step the principles that you need to know in order to build wealth from scratch like the wealthy. These are the foundational principles that they have put in place on how to make, manage, multiply, protect, and preserve their money. And you can too. So click the link in the bio and get your book today.